guys, today we're going to make glitter slime! To make glitter slime, you're going to need glitter glue, baking soda, and contact solution. We're going to pour it all in. I see it coming out. Now I'm going to mix the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add my baking soda. Now we're going to add the contact solution. Wow! It's starting to look like slime. It's gonna be really sticky in the beginning. So my mom is helping me. Now it's my turn. I gotta roll my sleeves up.
How do you feel, Lyla? Does it feel like slime?
Yeah.
Can you pull it apart yet? Whoa.
Slime.
Pull it.
Pull soft. Whoa. Whoa.
How big can you make it?
Whoa.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. What slime do you want me to make next? Let me know in the comments. Goodbye.